Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar Wallows. I think they've been here before. Not sure, but I recognize we had them in the past, not so far ago. But anyway, this one is called Bad Dream. Alright, so this song has this main playing, about five different chords, and then we have some bridge parts put in there. But anyway, this is pretty basic to play, and we're gonna go clean here on the fretboard, no need for any capo, alright? But we need to go over the chords, and I believe they are 8 chords actually, so we're gonna start with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. And we have E minor as well, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have C, so that is third on A, second G, open G, first B, open E. And the rest now will be bar chords. We're gonna start with B minor. So that's a bar. We play the bar on the second fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. That's the B minor. The B7 then, keep the bar in the same place. Now you gotta add just the 4th D string and 4th B. There we have the B7, and the final chord will be the F sharp. It's a bar chord where you play the 2nd fret, which is barred, but now all strings. Alright, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. There you have all the chords needed. So we're gonna look at the main part of the song, and it starts and goes mostly with A minor, D, G, and E minor in that order. So we're gonna have a strumming pattern that is divided into 2 different parts to start with. All right, so the first part will be down, down, clap, and you're gonna use that for A minor. That's the part 1. Like this. Down, down, clap. Then you shift chord to the next chord, in this case the D, and play part 2, which will be 3 downs, clap, and down. So that is the part 2. Part 1, down, down, clap, and part 2, down, 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 clap, down. So part 1. Then you apply the same principle for the next 2 chords, which will be G, part 1, down, down, clap, and E minor, part 2, down, 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 clap, down. Alright, so there you have the main part of the song. A minor, D, G, and E minor, a couple of rounds goes like this. Right, you play many rounds of that, and then we have the ending of this main part, and it happens at different time stamps here in this song. I can just mention them now and then teach you how to learn it. So it's gonna happen in about 1 minute and 6 seconds into the song. And then the second time will be 2 minutes and 1 second in. And the third time will be 2 minutes and 43 seconds in. And the fourth time will be 3 minutes and 6 seconds in. And the last time, 3:28. Okay, so that's kind of an ending of this main part that we're gonna learn now. And that happens at that timestamps. So that will be to play A minor to B7. A minor you will play like this. So that is basically to play one full strumming round. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So part 1 and part 2 together for A minor. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Okay? And then you shift to B and play 3 downs. The first time here, that happens at about 1 minute and 6 seconds in, you're gonna play just 1 down. But all the other timestamps there, 2:01, 2:43, 3:06, 3:28, you will play 3 downs on. 3 downs on B7, and that ends kind of this main part, and then you pretty much go back and play the A minor, D, G, and E minor as well. So that is what's going on pretty much 95% of the song. And then we also have a bridge part thrown in here. It happens about 2 minutes and 6 seconds in. So right after you played the second time of this ending of the main part, that happens about 2:01, you immediately go into this bridge part now. And this is where we're gonna use all the other chords. So you're gonna play C, D, B minor, and E minor. Just 1 down per chord. You're gonna play that chord progression for 3 rounds. So third round. And then you're gonna end this bridge part with F sharp 2 downs and 1 down on B7. And then you go back to play main and you follow these timestamps where you're gonna play the ending of the main part with A minor and B7. And that's it, guys. So Wallows, Bad Dream, a cool, fun song to play. And if you watch the music video, it actually uses a guitar there. You can see the chords by yourself, and it's pretty straightforward. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this tutorial, feel free to support me here on Chord Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.